Why not start with the air? Venta Airwashers are made by my company in Germany, and they're Europe's #1 best-selling combined humidifier and purifier. Here's how they work. A Venta Airwasher corrects dry air by evaporating water. Look, these discs act as collecting plates picking up water from the unit's reservoir. The dry air moves over the plates, picks up moisture, and then exits back into your room, correcting any dryness, leaving the air refreshed, invigorating, and static-free. But here's where an airwasher is superior to a plain humidifier or vaporizer. While it quietly humidifies, the discs trap airborne bacteria, dust, and allergens from the room down to an incredibly small microscopic size. Since colds and coughs bacteria, pollen and dust can't evaporate, only humidified and purified air is free to exit back into your room. An airwasher in your nursery will guarantee you total indoor air quality, and no humidifier alone or purifier alone can give you that peace of mind. Venta Airwasher, the original, patented by Venta in 1982. You want to give your children the best start in life? Why not start with their air?